Hey guys, there are two vlogs coming soon. This one is just going to be uploaded first because I can't get to the footage from the last two videos that I was going to upload here as vlogs. So I'm going to figure that out, but in the meantime, I'm just going to upload this video, but I just want you guys to know that the next two summer vlogs that are coming out happened before this summer vlogs. I'm just doing it out of order because my phone's messed up. So yeah, enjoy the video. Hey guys, Alex here, and welcome back to another vlog. There's a lot of things I want to talk to you guys about, so I might as well do it a vlog because, right now, as you see behind me, I have my green screen set up, and my camcorder. I just filmed a video. I'm doing some more scary content on this channel. I've been busy on summer vlogs, that's why. And I've been doing some pretty cool thumbnails on my Photoshop. I'm going to show you. Some of them for videos I might not film for a while now, maybe like before I show that. I have a new channel art. The other one is still on there because it's still summer, but yeah, this is pretty cool. It has like the light bricks. You can see there's a grain. This one? No, that's a new profile picture. Where did the other one go? Nope, that's for Spooktember. There's one I was just working on. Oh, well, I forget. There is another one. This is the Smiling Man. I don't know where that went, but that was one of them. I'll try to find it. I might have to do it again. But this is another one. I was going to do Ghostly Encounters. Creepy Girl. Shadow. That's Momo. Thinking of starting a series where I do like video tutorials, like how to use Photoshop, how to use Premiere Pro, how to download fonts. I could do a lot of stuff. Oh. Here's another one. It's the creepiest things kids say. Because, you know, kids and pets are most likely to see ghosts. Okay, guys, I found it. It's the Smiling Man. A bunch of creepy smiley men. That's the picture that comes with the creepypasta. Is this one, see? The creepypasta. I think it links to a video. Which video is it? Google. Let's Talk Folklore is a series I haven't done yet. Or in a while. I did Krampus during Christmas, but yeah. I updated the thumbnail. I can show you what the original thumbnails were supposed to look like. Yep, that's what it used to look like. I found that picture. I used the crop tool, and then I traced it and like cut out the background. It's pretty cool. I could show you how to do that on a tutorial. But yeah, it says Krampus. Alright, so I'm gonna go film some scary videos for you guys, and then I'll come back after to give you guys some updates. And yes, I will see you guys later. Alright guys, I changed into the new shirt I'm gonna be wearing in Wildwood. I wear this in Delaware too. Yeah, also wearing these sunglasses. Oh yeah, and the hat. Still from before. Yo, we're going to sushi or swooshy, and then afterwards, later tonight we're going to Wild. We're going to Redberry around 7 o'clock. Alright guys, now we're on our way to Yummy Sushi, and we're just gonna pick it up. So yes, it's gonna be very cool. And I'm going to get the wonton soup and the kani salad. So yeah, we'll pick it up and I'll see you guys when we get home. Alright guys, we are in the campus town right now. And look, there's a Redberry back of me. We're going there later on. And yeah, I'm just wearing this mask. I don't know why, I'm just standing outside. But I don't know, I just feel like showing off my outfit for some reason. Cool. Oh, check out my Instagram. I just posted something new. I am changing my channel, so yeah. Alright. So yeah, we're just waiting. Alright guys, we're back outside. And yes, we have the good old Connie salad. Now this is very spicy, but I like it. The next thing we have here, I do with the spoon, is wonton soup. Now, Sumo Sushi is an area in Pennington, around where I am. It's called Sumo Sushi, and they have awesome wonton soup. This is equally as good. Yeah, it tastes really good, though. But yeah, cool. Oh, and what are you doing? Oh, look at that face. He's gonna sit down. Yay.
Much later.
This time I have shade. Yeah. Keep you guys posted now. Update. Alright guys, guess what I started recording? No, guys, guess what I ended up recording? Yeah, I finished up the video where I reacted to the scary side of Reddit. I just need to use the bathroom because I don't know why, but I didn't use the bathroom before. I waited for the entire video to be over. I don't know what happened. Hey guys, sorry for the abrupt ending, but this vlog was pretty short because I have had trouble with my computer and my phone. But guess what? I have some exciting news. I am figuring it out, and I'm gonna have that vlog out in no time. Those two vlogs, the ones that happened before this vlog, is going to be uploaded very soon, so stay tuned for that. And I also have the video where I react to the scary side of Reddit, so stay tuned for that too. And there's one more thing you should be stay tuned for, and that is the debut video for my new series where I talk about creepy urban legends. So stick around for that and like and subscribe this video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm Alex, signing off. Bye.